1, 2, 3. Hi guys. I cannot believe I was filming this whole time. Hi guys, I'm Seonkyoung guest. Welcome to Asian at Home. And today is a holiday special for the Christmas. Today I'm going to make somewhat real festive dish, whole baked salmon in the oven. So easy to prepare, but it will wow all your guests, friends and family, everybody, even yourself, okay? I even wow myself. This is 2.5 pounds of whole salmon fillet. There's no skin underneath. I got this from Costco. Again, this is not sponsored. I'm just a Costco sucker, as you guys all know by now. You can use the skin underneath too. It doesn't really matter. All you have to do is place salmon on a baking dish or baking pan that lined with the parchment paper. That's it. That's all the prepare we need for the salmon. And we are going to make 2 different sauces. One is red and one is green. Perfect for Christmas. For red sauce, you will need my Asian mother chili sauce recipes right here. Go ahead and get it. It's so easy to make, and if you have this quiet on set, even. Quiet on set, belly. This chili sauce recipe is right here. Go ahead and check it out. And the recipe is quite big, but trust me, I made it that big for a reason. You will need a lot of them. I mean, I spread everywhere on the bread. I'm eating with the rice. I'm eating with the noodles. I'm just putting into the soup. It's just so good. In my Asian mother chili sauce, I'm going to add some lemon juice. Not too much, about a tablespoon. And just mix together. And this is it. This is the red sauce. So easy. Oh my goodness, this is so good. So good. Okay. My kind of you know what. All right, now let's make the green sauce. I have a blender right here. You will need a blender, food processor, or a little small hand blender. All will work. I just decided to use a Vitamix because I'm fancy like that. For the green sauce, you will need 3 cloves of garlic and a handful of cilantro. Actually, maybe this is a little too much. Handful of cilantro. Just break them down like this. And just boop. And this is totally optional, only if you purchase the I even keep saying karif, but it's a kaffir lime leaf. I got it right this time, okay? I got it right. Kaffir lime leaf. Kaffir! If you purchase kaffir lime leaf for my previous recipe, which is stir-fried spicy green bean paprika, if you have some leftover, go ahead and add some. If you don't, forget about it. You don't have to absolutely use this. Just make sure to remove the middle part, little thick stem. Rip it up and add. I think I'm gonna add 3 leaves and about 1/4 cup of oil, some pepper, and about 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Close the lid and blend away. The green sauce is done. Smell is so gorgeous. It's so simple yet so delicious. Everybody going to go dig in. Time for the salmon. So one side red and one side green. Which one should I put it first? Before we need to season the salmon a little bit. We're gonna add about 1/2 teaspoon of pepper and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. I think I'm gonna do the red one on the thinner side of salmon, where the salmon belly and everything. And I actually inspired this recipe from the picture I saw on Instagram. This Mexican restaurant, they have this fish that they put red sauce on the right or on the left or whatever on the side, and the green sauce on the other side. It looks so festive and delicious, and I got inspired, and why not making Asian version of it and make it for the holiday, for the Christmas. Don't cross over. Don't you know the rule? pour the green sauce. Come on, let's go. It's like a crunchy. Oh my gosh, look at this. Even before I spread all the way out, it's so gorgeous and festive. Oh my goodness, it's gonna be so amazing. Red part for the spicy lover like me, and the green part for those who love more milder flavor but don't want to miss any deliciousness. There you go. Alright, I took my lifetime to take a pictures because it's so gorgeous. So don't forget to take a picture before you pop it into the oven. So now we are going to bake them in 375 preheated oven for 15 minutes and then move to the top rack of the oven and high broil for extra 5 minutes. I'm gonna squeeze lime all over, not lime, lemon. You can use a lime too. Ooh, it's gonna be so good.
Oh, it smells so delicious.
I know, right? Okay. You want some rice?
Yes, please.
There you go.
Oh, this one looks so good. You sure you don't want this one?
It's okay. You can have it.
Oh, it's so pretty. Which one you try first?
Green one.
Green one? I should say the rice first.
The rice is the snow. Get it? The rice is the snow.
Green one.
It's like really good.
I'm ready. I'm waiting on this red one all day.
So good, dude. Ready?
Cheers.
Oh, that's spicy.
Kick to it. That one caramelized up a little bit more though.
Oh my goodness. I'm loving them.
Mine bump into me.
They're so good. Feeling the camera.
No, you.
You just waste my food?
It was
You just waste my food?
quarter of a grain of.
You just waste my food?
I guess I'm good.
I'm not good.
Look in the mirror.
If you liked my baked salmon recipe with 2 different sauces, red and green for the holiday, give us a thumbs up. And subscribe my channel for more inspirations and ideas of Asian home cooking. Thank you so much for watching us today. And remember, you can always cook Asian food at your house, making it easy and fun. I'm Seonkyoung Longast, and this is Asian at Home. And I'll see you next time. Bye!
Bye guys!
Mwah.